My favorite tree. You know what is it? It's the maple tree. Same like what we have in the balcony. Cherry blossoms. Alright. So cool. This kind of place. Ah, I saw a bird right there. Small bird. Where was it? Hello. Hello. He's alone. What are you doing? My small little bird.
Alors t'aimes bien, c'est nice?
Oui, c'est trop cool.
C'est cool, hein, moi j'aime bien.
Oui, bien sûr.
Et, regarde, il est trop beau l'arabe là, non? Là.
Oui, j'ai déjà pris de photos en tout
Non,
cas.
ça,
Ah, le nôtre?
t'as vu comme il a poussé?
Ouais.
T'as même pas remarqué que j'avais tout taillé?
Non. Ah, j'ai vu. J'ai vu.
J'espère vraiment que le bambou il va repartir. Il a pas trop aimé l'hiver là.
Non, il n'aime pas l'hiver. This one, guys, is the flower fruit of the pine tree. Right? All that. So it looks like this. Nice, right? Ah, why look like a doll? Ah, you see, there's a lot. So cool. Is there a bird in the middle or not? No, it's not a bird. It's not moving. Hello, pretty birds. Hello. What are you doing there? What? Tapadami? Chunapadami. Oh, la. Why are you alone?